Welcome back to Cipher Mind Academy. Today, we revisit Objective 1.1, Security Controls through the lens of our digital fortress. The castle walls represent your first line of defense, physical, preventive controls designed to stop threats before they even enter. By layering multiple physical barriers, we ensure that even the most persistent attackers are kept at bay. Flags and visible archers on the battlements are deterrent controls. Their mere presence discourages a potential attacker from proceeding. The watchtower serves as a detective control, constantly scanning and monitoring for any sign of unauthorized activity. Healers within the courtyard represent operational corrective controls, the essential systems that repair damage and restore order after an incident. The King's written law is a managerial directive control. It provides the policies and procedures that every defender must follow. Finally, the moat acts as a compensating control, a vital alternative when a primary defense isn't possible or sufficient. From the walls to the moat, every layer has a job. This is the art of defense in depth. Visit us at cyphermind.academy.